Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u square because I want to cancel about the square root. That's why I need to put about u square in here. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And you got about 2u du. So I will put this one going here and here. The s we change by this one. This one you got about u and u. Number 2 I will put in here. U and u, you got about u square. Now we use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to the square root of u plus 1. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and you got about u plus 1. Because we still have about u square in here, so I will put number 1 go to the left, and you got about t square minus 1 equals to u. So we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about 2t dt equals to du. The square root we change by t. About u we change by t square minus 1. Du we change by 2t dt. Number 2, you got about number 4. T and t, you got about t square. Now we need to expand this one. Next, t square multiplied by t to the power of 4 t square and number 1. And now we apply the formula in here. The integration of t to the power of n dt, you got about t to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about capital C. Now we can apply the formula for here, here and here. And you got the final answer. About t, that is about this one. About u, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides, and you got about u equals to the square root of s. So we put this one to change for u. This is the end. Thank you for watching.